Welcome back. Today we learn about dictionaries in Python. To make a dictionary, we need to define a variable as always. So we can say dict1 equals to a dictionary. Now to make a dictionary, you need to put this type of curly braces, So everything that comes in a curly brace is called a dictionary in Python. So the dictionary, there is something called a key value pair. For example, you say meaning 1. Alright, so this is how you make a dictionary. So here I have made the first say, that is meaning 1, and then I have put a colon, and then I have put the meaning of it in this second quotes. So always you put it in quotes like this. But for numbers you do not need to put quotes. So this is how you make a dictionary. Now let us add some more elements. Let us say meaning 2 will become, let's say 25, just for an example. Then meaning, or let's say this is a string. Okay, then we can define it and say, okay guys, so now let me print dict1. So can you see this dictionary has been printed out in Python. So now you're gonna learn some of the dictionary functions. Guys, so now let me print dict1.keys. So here you can see when we say that, it shows me that dict keys are meaning 1, meaning 2, and this is a string. Because this is the first thing, then we have defined the thing here, then this is the second meaning, we have defined something, and the third one we have defined something. It's like a key value pair. So this is called a key and this is called a value. So now let me print this. So it will print me the meaning of meaning 1, which is it is the meaning, that is the value of the key meaning 1. That's how the get function works. Now let me show you something else. So now let me show you print dict1, then let me put a square bracket and put here meaning 2. In the quotes you have to put here meaning 2 or any other key. If I print that, now it will print me 25 because that is the meaning of meaning 2. Dict1 of meaning 2, that means it prints out the value of meaning 2. Now for example, I have a sub dictionary, so I can say, let's say, let me add one more and I'll say this subdict, and then we'll make it equal to another dictionary, and then we can put here b equals to say bass. Okay, right. Now let me print meaning 2, or let me print subdict as an example, and then I can again give a quote here, and then I can print out the value of b, which is bass. Okay, so you can see it prints out bass. So you can even print out sub dictionaries in Python. Now for example, you want to add something in a dictionary, you cannot always add it by typing it there, so we can add it using another method. Let me show you how. So let's say new item, then we can say, you can see this automatically, this new item and this is a new item has been added into our dictionary. So this is how you update the values in a dictionary. You can just type the dict variable and then just type whatever you want to add, and you can give it equal to and type the meaning. So that's how you can add in a dictionary. Now if you want to delete something from a dictionary, we can say delete, then we can say the dict1, and then we can give, let's say, meaning 1. Now if I print dict1, here you can see meaning 1 has been removed from our dictionary. So it always starts from meaning 2 because meaning 1 has been removed from our dictionary. And the last thing is, guys, that we can update the values in a dictionary. So if I say, let me say subdict, and then I can update it with the value. We can say, let's go wow. Okay, now so you can see the value of subdict has been changed from this sub dictionary bass to wow. So here you can see that's how you can update the values in a dictionary. So that's it, guys. That's all about dictionaries in Python. If you want to see such more videos, make sure you subscribe, like and share. Until then, bye.